Unveiling the Truth. Understanding face facts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, face facts. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, seen in books, or encountered in daily conversations. Understanding phrases like this is not just about knowing the words, but also about getting the feel of the language. So, let's dive in and learn about what it means to face facts and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. The phrase, face facts, means to accept the truth about a situation, even if it's difficult or uncomfortable. When someone tells you to face facts, they're encouraging you to be realistic and acknowledge the true state of things, rather than denying or avoiding the truth. Imagine you're in a situation where the evidence points clearly to a conclusion you wish weren't true. By facing facts, you're coming to terms with reality, which is the first step in dealing with any challenge or problem. Face facts is a phrase that has been in use for quite some time. It derives from the concept of facing something directly, without turning away. Historically, face, as a verb has been used to denote dealing with something squarely and directly, much as you would look at someone's face when speaking to them. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember their meanings and use them more appropriately in context. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use face facts in everyday conversation. 1. You've been avoiding the subject all week, but it's time to face facts. We need to find a solution soon. 2. I know you're hopeful about winning, but let's face facts. The competition is tough. 3. She didn't want to face facts about her employment situation, but ignoring the problem wasn't helping. Using the phrase in a variety of contexts can help you understand the nuance and the tone it conveys. Generally, it's a call to be honest and direct. You can use face facts in situations where someone might not be seeing things clearly or is being overly optimistic or pessimistic. It's useful in debates, interventions, discussions about planning, or when giving advice. It's a phrase that conveys empathy but also a strong dose of realism. Be mindful of the tone you use with this phrase, as it can come across as confrontational if not used with care. It's best employed among friends, family, and colleagues when you have a rapport and understanding. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, face facts. Remember, learning a language is about more than just vocabulary. It's about understanding the expressions that native speakers use to convey more complex meanings. I hope this video has helped clarify a useful English phrase for you. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.